Hey guys, how's it going? It's Cody from Home to Homestead, and today I want to kind of give you a kind of different type of video. We're doing a little product review and a how-to all in one. One of my last videos, I had someone tell me that I need to be using a torque wrench to do gun maintenance, and while I kind of disagree with that, I found one on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It was less than $50, and I thought it was kind of neat. So I got it, I used it, and I like it. So I wanted to do a product review on it and show you what I think and a little how-to on how to use it. So this is the 1/4 inch ALEAPOW torque wrench. It's rated from 15 to 75 pounds, or inch pounds. Although I think it goes a little bit lower, and I'll kind of explain that right now. So right here is a little gauge where you can see your inch pounds, right? And I know you can't really say this at home, and I'm looking at my camera trying to make sure I can show you, but your bottomed out measurement is 15. However, when you get it out of the box, and when I've been using it as well, the little level goes below 15. So, and I've done some testing, and I think it actually goes to 10, right? This is a 12-piece set, right, which is pretty cool. Your pieces are stored at the top in this T-handle. And I'm very easily amused, so maybe it's just me. But this is pretty cool. So these little buttons right here in the center. Boom. How cool is that? Like I said, easily amused. And it just clicks in place. All right, so to use this thing, we have my scope ring here. My scope ring is rated to 15 to 18 inch pounds. I've already loosened one of the screws. So I'm just going to show you how to set it up. So your little yellow lever or button right here is a lock. So you pull up on that, and then you pull up on the T handle, and I'm going to try to show this the best I can. You see that movement there? Now our handle is able to be moved. So I'm going to crank it, and I'm going to be watching my little window here. So we're going to go up and keep going. So right now we're at 15. We're going to go up 3 more to 18. We're going to pull up on our little yellow button and push down. Now we are set at 18. Right? I wish my view was better. I know you can't really see that. My light's kind of off. So one thing I like about this is that it gives you an audible click when you've hit your inch pound measurement. So we stick it in and we start twisting, right? So now my cap here is getting tight, and now just listen. Boom. So that lets you know, that click there lets you know that you have set this screw or whatever you're working on to the required inch pounds. And that's as easy as it is. I like something that's simple because I'm pretty much as intelligent as a caveman, maybe less. So I think that's pretty neat. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful and it helps you out, hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, this has been Cody from Home to Homestead, out here.